Janae finna make her a smoothie. She got the strawberries. She got the crushed ice from Brahms.
Yep.
And you gonna do what else?
Huh?
I made mine. Mine came out pretty good too. I put ice cream, 2% milk, strawberries. She gonna put Minute Maid in hers. Black.
It's gonna be good because it got the strawberry and got the kiwi. Then a cup of ice.
Using the NutriBullet blending machine. Made by NutriBullet.
All this ice. Oh, it's gonna come out so good.
That thing don't even make a big mess either.
That's why I'm gonna give me one. Mine's gonna be icy. I want mine slushy.
You can, now that you can drink with a straw.
What?
Those type of smoothies. You know, so you're not gonna do ice cream. You're just doing ice.
Yeah, and the strawberry and the juice.
Okay.
Cause I wanna see what it's going. Oh, I'm stupid.
This ain't open yet.
No. I opened up the other one.
You shook it and it didn't come out.
Damn. Fill it up. Oh yeah.
Dang, that's a lot of juice. Can't fill it to the top though.
No, it's right there. So
oh, okay.
I'm paying attention then.
That's why mine didn't mix. That's why mine didn't do very good because I put too much in it.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant to tell you.
There's a max line on there.
I'm gonna rub more ice. Just a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Now that rub.
Here, put the ice back in here.
Let's see it. Let's go open.
You fold it over. You fold this over.
You twist it first.
Yeah. Fold it up. Yeah, there you go. No, get the other way so it'll stay locked in. Yep.
Ouch.
You say break your finger now.
No, it's the ice.
Start blending. You gotta clean that.
Well, we're drenching it. Try it.
Cut your finger in that thing. Those blades, I wouldn't dry those blades off. I try to dry, just kind of damp it. But don't, those are pretty sharp. Yeah, there you go. Mostly dry your lid. You know what I'm saying? The back of your lid.
Oh yeah, because that's inside of the lid.
Yeah. Because that's what you'll be touching the most. Let's see what it come like.
Twist it back under and get to smoothie. And make sure it's tight. All right. What should you do?
I did the extract. Oh, yours is needed. These need yours on me. I said finish. Hey, you excited? Stop it whenever you want to. Just to your likings.
I'm gonna see.
That looks good because it's bubbling.
Yep.
Dang, that's gonna be good. I'm gonna work on mine.